Crimean Youth Creative United Siran 762, one of the first Crimean Tatar rap performers. There are such famous musical compositions as Kımı Gel Bizde Gül, Kırım'da Yaşa, Aterni Öldürmeniz, and Kırım Vatan Millet. The winner in the first International Audiovisual Festival of Art, Dinim Tilim Milletim. Prize winner in the competition of video clips on the ATR channel Meydan FM. Dilara Mahmudova-Dağci, famous Crimean Tatar performer, composer and author of such hits as Uzbekistan, Я кохаю тебе, Seni sevem, and Yalan Sözler. Multiple Grand Prix winner of laureate of more than 70 international competitions and festivals. Osman Djemalyadinov, stage name MGL, founder of the Crimean Tatar rap, performer, beatmaker, arranger and sound producer, founder of the musical project for Royal Beats, one of the founders of recording studio Black Diamond Records. Osman has such musical compositions as Hanabah, Laf Etem, Передавай дальше, Screaming Wow, and also remixes Toyavası, Kefe Haytarması and Crimean Tatar rap. Eliana Blazimova, successful Crimean Tatar performer, actress, leading screenwriter, producer and teacher, multiple participant of governmental concert events, winner of international competitions in St. Petersburg, Munich, Paris and Ukrainian cities. Dmitry Bosulayev, bright star of Crimean stage, Grand Prix winner of International Song Festival Поющий берег, finalist of the first international competition of George Oates. His repertoire is filled with multi-genre songs in different languages, and also new names of Crimean stage. Helen Kotnisheva, student in Crimean University of Culture, Art and Tourism, owner of an enchanting voice of lyrical soprano, laureate of international competitions and festivals. Feride Ablazova, perspective aspiring singer, pupil of a popular Crimean Tatar singer Dilara Mahmudova, laureate of international competitions and festivals. Elina Nazarova, the Yanis project participant, pupil of Crimean Tatar singer Eliana Blazimova. She began his career in 2014 and confidently declared herself on Crimean stage. Presents the concert program Vatanım Kırım.